Okay, for today's video, week 7, we're going to do something completely different. And one of the highlights for visitors going to the museum is the outdoor trenches. I'll put a link in the description on this video actually. It's well worth a visit. Now in these trenches, as you go through the trench, hit a button or a sensor might go off and an audio file is played. It might be a veteran detailing some of their experiences, or it might be a sound effect. So that's what's in place at the moment. So this is our layout. Let's get started. This in essence is your little MP3 player. Your micro SD card goes in there and just clicks into place. And if you position it there on the circuit board layout, you'll get an idea where the pins are. You know, again, these are the pins underneath. All we need basically, number one is the voltage, 3 to 5 volts, and pin number 7. So basically, if I get my little breadboard, I bought a pack of these as well, which makes things handy. It means all I have to do, or it minimizes the amount of soldering I have to do. All I have to do is use these little drop leads. I've got a pack of these, and I can just push these in and it'll make connection. So that gets pushed into the breadboard. So there's your circuit board on your breadboard. There's a little sticky back to that, so that's going to be pushed onto a junction box. So we'll just place that there, and in order to get power, so we need to go to pin 1, just pin 1 and pin 7. So that's that one. That's that one there, and we'll just, you can go to either of them there, so push that through there. I'll just pop in my SD card. It's all very small stuff. Clicked into place. Okay. So now we want a speaker. And again, the speaker goes 6 and 8. So that's one above this. That's 6 and that's 8. So push that through. Ooh. And push this one through. Oh, I need more light here actually. Number 8, so that one there. So in essence, I hope you can see that. Power and speaker. So now we need a trigger. And that's going to be 10 and 9. Basically, when you pin those two out, it should play. Now I have a number of buttons here. They all basically do the same thing. They just push and release. So it just makes a circuit, various types of buttons. However, because it's the museum and it's an outdoor trench and you want to attract people to hit a button, we're going to go for something big and chunky like this. Okay, so that's basically the button we're going to use in this case, so I'll get rid of them. So we're going to get again one of these little drop leads, and we're going to go to pin number 10. Oh, it's hard. And 9. And that's basically everything wired up and ready to go.
The whole trunk was an obsession with rats, you know. They were there with a million. She'd have plenty to eat. She'd have gone living quarters for bad wouldn't be the word for it.
And that's basically it. It just plays out and it finishes. The next person that comes along will just hit the button again.
The whole trunk was an obsession with rats.
And that's how it works. So basically, if you're ever up in the museum, the Cavan Museum in Ballyjamesduff, hit some of them buttons. So, here today we're going to make some nettle soup with some bought product and some wild edibles. So what we have brewing here in the saucepan are some onions and leeks in butter. What we have also next to it are mushrooms, some rosemary, a bit of thyme in there. Potatoes we're going to use. Here we have some wild garlic that we just picked. We have some nettles we just picked. We might throw in some spinach leaf as well that came from a supermarket. We have some stock and we have some bacon as well. That's about it, I think. So nettle soup. We'll probably add a dollop of double cream afterwards. I'll just butter some bread and then come up to me. Okay, so that's our nettle soup, nettle and wild garlic soup. Just going to have some a little bit of bread and garlic butter. That's a thumbs up from me.